Hello, my name is Guillaume and I'm speaking from the United Nations University Institute for Water and Environmental Health, and this is the module about reporting in the SDG-PSS. I'm on the component's homepage now. Let's choose the component DRR Resilience. As you can see, when you click on a component, it leads you to the questionnaire. Now, let's click on the button Reporting. As you can see, the reporting element is a page which shows different graphs and charts which are relevant for SDG 6 and DRR resilience. The charts and graphs that are included in all of these different components are automatically updated so that when you change the answers in the questionnaire, these graphs and charts will change as well. In the reporting page, you can select and copy any chart or graph, and you can paste them freely into any kind of document. These reporting elements are linked to the summary view, which is the other reporting element of the SDG-PSS. Now let's go back to homepage. Then we click on the button Summary View. The Summary View is the highest level overview of all components of SDG-PSS, where data and information provided into different components becomes usable evidence. The Summary View is the highest level overview of all components of the SDG-PSS, where data and information provided into these different components become usable evidence. In the Summary View, the datasets are synthesized and analyzed to present key evidence that best presents the progress against each SDG target and indicator at the national level. In this way, the summary view is critical for decision makers and policymakers because it is the overview of all the evidence in the SDG-PSS put together. You can see that there are components listed across the top and subcomponents listed here. All targets and indicators of SDG 6 are listed here. The summary view presents the evidence produced by the SDG-PSS for all the 6 critical policy components. Now, how to understand the evidence presented in the summary view? Reading across the summary view, each component is summarized under subcomponents. Very importantly, all evidence in the summary view is presented at the indicator level of SDG 6. Red color represents inadequate progress that needs attention towards achieving the specific target and indicator. Dark green color represents significant progress towards the achievement of the specific target and indicator. Light green color shows an area of adequate progress that needs to be maintained. And finally, white color represents no data available for that specific target and indicator. This ends the e-course on the SDG-PSS. You have completed all the modules. You can always use the user guidelines to learn more about how the SDG-PSS works. Or you can join the forum on the e-course website. Please share your questions and comments.